say this world is getting harder. Every time you seek for someone to be loved, there's some evil might that keeps your rightful hopes to come true. The rooms are getting smaller, and a dollar's worth a dime, and I should be your woman. You've searched for love to be much deeper, and you've tried to get your trust. Anything I say could be true. The troubles are getting higher. Please let me pull you through. I'll be your woman in sorrow and pain. I'll be your woman, sunshine or rain. There's a storm, easy on to get by. Maybe we're used and thrown away. Maybe we're drowned in tears every day. Say you'll share it with me, and I'll be your woman. You say you're a loser, but losers never die, 'cause they've a lot to gain. And if you could let me teach you to reach out your hand just for me, every time you feel lonely, darling, here's what I will be. And I'll be your woman in sorrow